YouTube. I didn't even know y'all was right there. Too busy getting this session in there. Y'all see. Anyways, man, today we'll be doing my tutorial a little different. Got this idea from your fun, but the way I'm gonna do it, I'm not gonna take my face off the camera just to show y'all the cut. My face gonna be on the screen along with the cut the whole time. Just gonna sit here, talk with y'all. Yeah, let's just get right into the video. So I'm gonna press play. Intro gonna pop up. Let's go.
Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. Wavykid. Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. It's the way.
Do y'all wanna say anything?
Make sure you subscribe.
Alright, y'all, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright, y'all see this? This the before. Alright, this the before. Nice edits, got the nice edits. Alright, y'all see? First step before you get started with any haircut, just prep the hair by combing it all out. And it just gets you ready for the haircut to start. Alright, let's see this hair nappy. You just gotta comb it out and get it unnappy. Every beat gotta go hard. Then that ball lining. When you do this, make sure you got trimmers that aren't really hitters, so it don't set in that harsh line. But yeah, just make sure you keep it low as possible and then contour it to the head. Lever open, go up about an inch, about this much. Alright, go up, flick out. Make sure you go over the same thing over and over again so it'll be even. Lever open, going up another full inch, going up all the way. Alright, he don't, hold on, time out. He not really worried about how stretched the blend is because he's not a hardcore waver. So I always stretch the blend on him. I just be going. He let me do a full blown blend. I get to go wherever I want with the blend. As long as it look good at the end, he cool. Down the hair too when you cut. Now, usually I set my guidelines in first and then cut the hair down, which makes for a better fade for me. I don't know why it works, but that's what it does. I just got the one guy open, just kind of with the grain. I didn't want to use the 2 because I feel like this is going to really clean up the top without going too far up in the blend. Well, I didn't need the 2. I didn't feel like the 2 was needed, so just use the 1.5 guard open. They have basically a two guard closed anyway. And then here I closed the lever, basically a 1.5. So it just clean up work for real. Zero guard close. Basically, just want to use your corner. That's it. And then you're not gonna be able to develop this flick out motion in the beginning while you cut hair. It's not possible unless your hands are used to being flicking like this all the time. But it took me a minute to develop that. But you'll get it for sure. Alright. I see I was in the middle taking up that middle line. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened to the footage. Okay, it's gone.
Put it on something then. Put it on your mother. Put it on God. Put it on your dad. Put it on something. On Jesus. Go ahead. Put it. Okay.
Basically, all I did was do the same flick out motion, lever close, and then adjust as you go up. After that, I did so much detail work. I was slapping on every single guard that you can think of, bro, for real. I remember this day. This is a long time ago. This was before the pandemic happened. I felt like I'm about to make this the best low fade I ever did in my life. Make sure you do a lot of detail work and get it clean as possible, because your clients will know, okay? They will know. But I always prepare my hairlines by spraying hairspray and locking them down. The brand that I use is Tresemme. The 5-hole, you know, gotta get that extra hole. Yeah. Keeping it natural, not pushing it back. Beard now. I always keep the razor line as high as possible, whether they ask for it or not, because usually they do. Brand enhancements. Y'all see I had the big car. I didn't have a business card at this time. More detail work. See, even then. Alright, y'all. It's the before.
It's the way. It's the way. Wavykid.
It's the after, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments, alright? Let me know what y'all think about the edits. Fade is blended. Lineup is crispy. Alright, y'all, that's the video. Real short, wasn't that long. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if I just keep doing videos like this, do my tutorials like this. Alright. Hopefully I can finally shoot a tutorial in the shop. But yeah, if y'all want me to keep doing my tutorials like this, let me know. It's different, alright. This might be what I might start doing. But other than that, if you can care, if y'all like it, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. If you're new, subscribe. All of that, you already know. Turn on that notification bell, okay? And if you didn't see my last video, go check that out. I seen the views wasn't really high in that last video. Make sure I go check that out. But your boy Wavykid, I'm out. Deuces.